Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Weary Black Girl Tips, and in this video we'll be making chocolate chip muffins. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment and subscribe for more videos like this. So here are the ingredients you'll be needing. Don't worry, they'll be in the description section. To your sifted flour, add some baking powder, vanilla extract, and then add in a bit of sugar. Don't forget, you always want to add your dry ingredients together first before you mix them with the wet ingredients. So you mix all of that together. After mixing that together, you want to go in with your chocolate and milk chips. I like to use both for proper taste. You want to make sure they are all coated with flour, and then you set aside. Grab a bowl for your wet ingredients, add in your eggs, give them a little whisk just for like a minute to make sure they are properly mixed. Add in your sour cream and some melted unsalted butter. You want that to settle in for a little bit before you mix it together. Be careful not to over mix because you're going to be adding a lot of stuff and mixing. So once you get this texture and once you get this consistency, you want to set it down and then grab your dry ingredients. You want to mix in your dry ingredients a little bit at a time to avoid tiny clusters or it not being properly mixed or not getting enough hair. So you want to mix in a little bit at a time till you have this texture and consistency. Then you grab your cupcake molds and liner. This is what your cupcake should look like before going into the oven, and once they're out, this is what they should look like. You want it to chill for like 5 minutes on the cooling rack, and then this is what it will look like after 5 minutes. And now you can enjoy your tasty, moist, yummy chocolate chip muffins. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Don't forget to share with your friends and loved ones. Thanks for watching.